Hello my little honey blocks and welcome back to unbox this Build-A-Bear Advent Calendar day number 3. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to see more girly, pink, light-hearted and Christmassy content, and welcome in to our family of sweet honey blocks. I'm so excited. Day 3, we have 3 more doors to open. We're just gonna get right into it, smash right into this thing. So let's go straight to the hand cam. If you haven't seen our other episodes, we have been opening the doors to this advent calendar for the past 2 days. So I recommend checking out the other videos. They will be in the description or they'll be somewhere on the page. You'll be able to find them. So today we're opening day 7, day 8 and day 9. Now if you remember last episode we opened up our calendar and received our cute little rabbit Flopsy here. Oh my goodness, so cute! So we want to dress up our cute little Flopsy in some adorable outfits, just like on day 1 where we had our little Freddy Bear friend and we got him dressed up in an outfit. So let's get these outfits on, shall we? Let's do day 7. Oh, this kind of, ooh, I see why they put the little thingies on the side now. There we go. Do you know what? I wasn't prepared because I did not bring my scissors this time. Let me get my scissors out in a moment. Alright, day 7, and this is what we received. Look how cute that is. So it's got a little tree on it, and then it's got this fur bottom on it as well, which I think is so adorable. So yeah, that's day 7. Let's open up day 8. Ooh, okay. So these are these are some little shoeses. So these are some little shoeses with little pom-poms on the end that are green. So they kind of match the little top there. They kind of match up, which is really sweet. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay. Alright, let's pop those to one side and do the last day. Day number 9, which is all the way over here. Oh my goodness, and these are like little ribbons. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's cut these out as well. And I'll pop all of our doors back down. Pop our calendar away. And this is the set that we got. So we have these little ribbons. Oh, little ribbons. So cute. On elastics. I think those are to go in her hair. And then we also have these little booties too, which match. They match the little bows. So I'm so excited. I'm going to pop them on her. See how she does. Her shoes are on. Right, they're on. They're on. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's so sweet. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Beautiful. Okay. And then we just need to pop the little bows in her hair, which hopefully won't be as difficult. It's because the fur on these, like the fluff, is so soft, which is wonderful for cuddling with. Less wonderful to put things on, like clothing, because there's no friction to hold it there. I don't mind. Let's pop this in. There we go. Ta-da! Oh my goodness! Ah! Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful! Oh my gosh, she kind of looks like an ice skater or something. Oh my goodness. I love her so much. And she has a friend with Fredbear, so now they're together. They can sit together on my desk throughout the festive season. I'm excited. This is great. That was it. That was it for our wonderful little calendar this day. Next time we'll be opening another 3 doors, which I think will lead us to another big plush this time. And we may get a very last object for little Miss Flopsy here, but this is so sweet. I love it so much. Well, thank you so much for coming today, my little honey box, and we'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.